What's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Hairston here with another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about 7 attraction marketing strategies to get 3 to 5 plus sales per week in your network marketing business. Okay, now if you are a network marketer and you've been in the business for a while and you haven't made any sales, you're not getting any leads, you're not getting any customers, then you know you don't have a business. Therefore, you're not making money. And if you're not making money, that means you are frustrated. Well, today I'm going to see what I can do to help you by sharing these 7 tips with you. Okay, these 7 attraction marketing strategies or tips with you to help you get going in the right direction. But the first thing you need to understand is, what is attraction marketing? I know you've heard it thrown around. You probably heard of Ray Higdon and some other people who use the attraction marketing strategy. And I have started applying this to my business, and I can tell you that it works. And so if you just apply it to yours, it'll work for you too. So what is attraction marketing? Attraction marketing is when you attract interested prospects and customers to you, okay, by creating valuable content that gives your target market what they want by addressing their biggest challenges, problems, and pain. Understand, you attract them, interested prospects, meaning your target audience, okay, to you. And you do that by giving them what they want, and you are addressing their challenges, problems, and pains, okay. Gone are the days of just throwing your links all over Facebook or whatever the case may be. You need to learn how to do attraction marketing, okay? So imagine attracting customers to you versus spamming, pitching, chasing, cold calling, and getting rejected. And trust me, nobody likes to, or you're spamming on Facebook. You don't like pitching folk. You don't like chasing people. You know, I remember when I first started in a network marketing company, they had me make a list of 100, 100 people I knew. And then I had to contact all these people by phone or in person. And I hated every minute of it, chasing my family and friends. Got to the point to where, when they saw me coming, they didn't want to deal with me anymore because they knew I was going to pitch some type of business opportunity to them. So family and friends are some of the worst people you can try to market to in your business. And I'm going to help you avoid all that as well, okay? So here's what happens when you create content that addresses your target market's biggest challenges versus spamming, okay? You position you as the leader, expert, and authority. When you learn attraction marketing, you position you as the leader, the expert, and authority, okay? You build relationships. You create raving fans, people who are going to follow you. If you leave the business opportunity or the network marketing company that you're in now, they will go with you wherever you decide to go, okay? You gain trust. And that goes once again to what I just said. They will follow you wherever you go, okay, because they trust you. That's why you don't want to get just bogged down or spamming your company links and products all over Facebook or wherever you decide to market your business. So we'll get to that in a moment here. Okay. Only when you do all of the above and position you as the leader and gain trust with your prospects will they buy your stuff. Read that again. Only when you do all of the above, okay, position you as the leader, expert, and authority, build relationship, create raving fans, gain trust, and position you as the leader and gain trust with your prospect, will they buy your stuff. Then they will buy your product, your services, join you in your business opportunity, okay? The good news is it's not that difficult to do if you simply implement these attraction marketing strategies. Even if you're brand new, okay, and haven't made any money before, this can work for you. So let's look at the top earners for a minute. And you got Ray Higdon and Eric Worre. They're no longer active in network marketing, but they have some things going on that we can follow them and what they are doing, okay, the example that they have set. But right now we're starting at a level where they started out but now we're going to ascend to them by doing what they do. So what do the top earners do in their businesses that you might not be or are not doing just yet? Think about that for a minute. What are they doing? Okay. They got to be doing something right. You got to be doing something that's working. What is it exactly that has you, what's holding you back while other people are moving up in ranks in their company? Other people are making money, but you're still in the same position. Let's look at what's going on inside of this network marketing biz. I'm going to give you the 7 attraction marketing strategies of the top money earners. Are you ready? Here we go. They brand themselves up front, not the company nor its product. In fact, they never even talk about their products up front on social media. That was one of the mistakes that I made. I'll admit it. I did it, posting my business opportunity on my profile, on my fan page, and in groups and things like that. And so I made that same mistake. And this is something that they do not do. They brand themselves up front. It's about you. It's about you, not the company nor its products. In fact, they never even talk about their products up front. Okay. Understand that. Okay. That's what the top earners are doing. They brand themselves up front. Okay. What else do? They do not spam pitch their opportunity or product links on Facebook. Another mistake that I did, and I said it before, I say it again, was posting, about my business opportunity. And people don't like to be sold, okay? People love to buy, but they don't like to be sold. And when you're putting your links and things like that, all over Facebook, you're simply just spamming. I've cleaned up my entire profile. There's nothing about any of my business opportunities on my profile. I do show proof of income, some results that I'm getting. I'm posting valuable content on there now, but don't get me wrong. I'm just getting into this Facebook stuff. I'm not a big Facebook person. As you know, I like doing video, but I'm trying to get into Facebook as well because, hey, that's where my target audience is at as well, okay? So if you have your links and your pictures of your products on Facebook, clean up your profile, get it off of there, okay? They create value, solve problems, and serve their target market or target audience with valuable quality content daily. They are consistent with providing value. They are consistent with putting up content daily in front of their target audience. And you have to do the same thing as well, okay? They have multiple streams of income, affiliate programs, and products, their own courses, products, books, audios, events, and systems, and etc. If you look at somebody like Ray Higdon, he's no longer an active network marketer, but he does all this training. He speaks on stage. Eric Worre the same way. A lot of other top marketers, they are not just promoting, or they were never just promoting their business opportunity. They have their own products. They have their own affiliate products, their own courses and books and things like that they are selling on the front end, okay? And that's one of the things that I like about this new system that I'm using. It gives you the opportunity to sell products that you didn't create on the front end, whereas if no one joins your business opportunity, guess what? You still get paid, okay? So, and that's going to help you. That's going to teach you how to get to that level of where they're at, because soon you'll be able to create your own affiliate programs and products and courses and things, okay? What else do? They attract customers and buyers who are already interested in what they have to offer. They built a target audience of people who want what they have, okay? You have to get your avatar. You have to know your target market. Look, if you don't know your target market, your target audience, what are their pains, their problems, their issues, their complaints, their dreams, their desires, if you don't know any of those things, attraction marketing is not going to work for you anyway. You have to know to whom you are speaking. Okay, because if you're trying to sell to everybody, you're selling to nobody. Trust me on that. Been there and done that before as well. They build their audience and list of customers and prospects every single day. Not only do they create content daily, they are building their audience daily. They're building their following daily, okay, whether on social media, okay. I like to build mine on Facebook, but I'm building it slowly on, I build mine on YouTube, excuse me, but I'm slowly building mine on Facebook as well, okay. So I can create this YouTube video I'm creating now, this piece of content, okay? And then I can put it in front of my target audience on Facebook, okay? Because this is coming to YouTube. You see this now, but it's also going to go on Facebook, a portion of it that's going to lead them back to my YouTube video where I can build my channel up. So I'm building my audience every single day, okay? They don't need to chase, convince, cold call, and all is rejection free, okay? They're not chasing people. People are chasing them, okay? I like to use this analogy even if it makes sense. I like to hunt, okay? I like to hunt. And so when I'm hunting, yeah, that's country talk right there. Or when I'm hunting, I am out there in search of, you know what I'm saying? I'm looking for a specific, depending upon what I'm hunting for, okay? I'm out there searching for a squirrel, a rabbit, or a deer. Depending on what I'm hunting for that day, I know what I'm hunting for. I have a gun for squirrel hunting. I have a gun for deer hunting, okay? So I am doing the hunting. I'm looking for them. I'm searching them out. Where are they? Are they in the nest, the squirrel? Or are they, you know, down on the ground making noise? I got to listen, okay? So while I am the hunter and I'm hunting them, it's vice versa in this business. I want people hunting me. I want people chasing me. And if they're chasing me and they want to join my business opportunity, if they want to join my whatever it is that I'm doing at the time, I don't have to convince them because I have given them enough valuable content that they're going to join me. I don't have to cold call because when I pick up the phone and call them, they know who I am already, and it's rejection free. And if they don't want to join my business opportunity, if they are other network marketers, if they don't want to join my business opportunity, then hey, I got this training here that you need. I still get paid, okay? Either way it go. And understand this, people would, you know, some people are in network marketing companies already. They love their network marketing company. They're not going to join you. But wouldn't it be great if you had another affiliate program that they could join that's going to train them to get leads and customers that you can also get paid from? I give you the opportunity to get that in a little bit. So they don't need to chase, convince, cold call, you know, because it's all rejection free. The people have hunted them down. Remember what I said about me hunting squirrel? People are hunting them. People are hunting me, okay? The way I'm posting on Facebook, I'm starting to get some traction, and I'm going to keep applying this. I'm going to keep every day, consistent content every day, okay? And it's not rocket science. It's much easier than, you know, than you've been making it. It is much easier to do attraction marketing than spamming your links all over Facebook, posting pictures of your products all over Facebook, reaching out to people in their inboxes. Hey, I just wanted to reach out to you because I like, you know, want to get to know like-minded people and blah, blah, blah. And next thing you know, hey, I'm in this business opportunity. Here's the link. You want to join me? No, it don't work that way anymore. People are tired of that. And they see you as an amateur and a spammer, okay? So it's much easier than you've been making it. And you can have all of this in your business just like they do starting today, okay? You can start right now. Understand this and keep this in mind as well. The key to attraction marketing Always be leading with value with your content. The key to attraction marketing: always be leading with value with your content. You want to educate, okay? I like to learn, do, teach. Learn, do, teach. Learn something, apply it to my business. Once I get some results, I share it, I teach it, okay? So that's what you want to start doing on your Facebook profile, on your fan page, in your groups, or however you want to do it, even on your YouTube videos if you're doing YouTube videos, okay? So there you have it, 7 attraction marketing strategy to get 3 to 5 plus sales per week. And if you want to know how to get leads to your business, then there will be a link in the description that's going to show you how to do just that, okay? So what I want to do right now, thank all of my subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of other videos that I do. If you got value from this video, leave me a comment below and a thumbs up as well, and click the link in the description to discover 3 network marketing lies they are telling you that are keeping you broke, okay? 3 network marketing lies they are telling you that are keeping you broke. And here's a secret: it's coming from your company, and it's probably coming from your upline. Shh, don't tell anybody, okay? So click the link in the description to get that. If you have any questions, my contact information will be below this video. Go ahead and hit me up, contact me on Facebook, send me a text, or give me a call. I'll be glad to chat with you. Go ahead, click that link in the description, get started. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.